Dad. It's a weekend. Shall we go out?
Sure dear, we'll take you to mall. Driver, take the car to automatic parking area.
Okay, sir.
Come dear, let's get in. On the way home, let's visit Eric's factory.
I am excited. Let's go.
Hi John, welcome.
What is it doing? Hello Uncle. How it is moving?
It is an automatic packing system. We need to monitor the process.
I saw a robot there.
Yes, it helps in automatic packing.
It is interesting. Dad. Everything here is automatic.
Yes dear, even parking system, escalator in mall also automatic.
After visiting the factory, they are returning to home.
Dad, look at the train. Oh my god. Look, their two trains are about to crash.
Another train coming on the same track stops automatically, due to the sensors placed on the track.
It stopped.
It has sensors. This is also automatic. It is an automatic interaction system, using sensors. See, the opposite train is passing in the parallel track.
It's all automation. If you are interested to learn more about automation, I will put you in a specialized course.